Hi, I'm Brian. Now that we're into the new year, I took some time and looked at the photos I created throughout 2025. I never did make it to the coast last year, but there were several trips to the mountains with my camera in hand. I've never put an annual compilation together before, but this year I thought I'd create a video that highlights my favorite images. So, whether you love nature, wildlife, or local history like me, or just need a little inspiration to get outside, you're in the right place. Sit back, turn the volume up, and enjoy this sampling of my year in the field. And, if you like what you see, I would love it if you followed me here, or even better, signed up for my mailing list at briansack.com. There will be a reminder at the end of the video.
Hear the whisper of the pines calling out my name. Let's leave the worries behind, where the air is clear and sane. Dawn breaks with a golden smile, the mist begins to fade. Feels a green light spilling through, inviting souls to wade. We'll lace our boots and grab our packs. The trail calls out like a friend. With every step we shed our doubts. On this path we can depend. Oh, the mountains sing a song, the rivers paint a view. Every rock and rolling hill, a canvas just for you. So let's hike up high where the wildflowers bloom. Feel the heartbeats of the earth, let the freedom resume. With the sky above and the ground below, let our spirits soar and sway. Let's create our own adventure out on the trail today. Through the thickets and the streams, where the sunlight drips like wine, we'll dance under the canopies, where the whispering breezes twine. Each bend a worldly treasure, each curve a somber gift. With your hand in mine we'll climb, and our burdens will just lift. Oh, the mountains sing a song, the rivers paint a view. Every path leads somewhere new, the journey calls us to. So let's hike up high where the wildflowers bloom. Feel the heartbeats of the earth, let the freedom resume. With the sky above and the ground below, let our spirits soar and sway. Let's create our own adventure out on the trail today. Across the hills and valleys we'll forge our tales anew. Every sunset's magic, every dawn a clearer view. Forget the city's hustle, let the wild ignite our souls. Together we'll find healing on these trails, our story unfolds.